Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to remove contact information from lock screen of Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. After click on lock screen and always on display, scroll down and click on contact information and you will see. If you want to remove contact information, so you will see, click on this cross icon, you will see remove contact information from here. After the process, click on done, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove contact information from lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.